Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play a very beautiful chord progression using the chords of D major, D major 7, and D7. Very easy chord progression, very beautiful. So let's get started. So this is a very beautiful chord progression using the D major and D major 7 and D7. So we'll do a quick review of how to play those chords. Playing D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D major. Okay, to play D major 7, what we need to do is just play these 3 strings in a row, strings 1, 2, and 3, and bar your 2nd finger across those 3 strings and strum the bottom 4 strings. This is D major 7, okay? And then to play D7, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and again strum the bottom 4 strings. Okay, and if you notice on all 3 chords, strings 1 and 3 on the 2nd fret are being pressed on all 3 chords. So really the only thing that's changing is string number 2. To play D, we have this 3rd finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then we're barring across the 2nd fret, so the 2nd string is being played on the 2nd fret, and then lastly for D7, the 2nd string is being played on the 1st fret. So you kind of have this walk down. Okay, so you can hear that now. Very easy chord progression. So D major, D major 7, D7. Once again, D major 7, D7. Once again, D major 7, D7. Then you could always transition into G. Okay, just kind of walk that down further. Okay, very beautiful chord progression, very easy to play. If you like this video and like to see more lessons like this, be sure to hit the like button after the video. Also, if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found when new videos are uploaded. You'll also be notified as well when new videos have been uploaded. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. I'd like to thank everyone for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.